I haven't done a video on unexplained or creepy sounds for a while now, so I have searched around and found some really good ones. So here are 5 of some of the creepiest sounds ever recorded, some of which are still unexplained.
5.
For almost a decade, people all over the world have reported hearing a mysterious sound that appears to be coming from the sky that continues to baffle scientists. The sounds of a very loud trumpet. Take a listen.
Sweetheart, did you go and practice playing that thing in your bedroom?
4.
Now, this next recording was sent to me by Jordan. Well, one night, Jordan went to bed. Take a listen. It sure is strange, and like I said, there are not many theories on what it could be, so let me know what you think in the comments.
3.
In the early 80s, a local radio station called GWR, one of the show's features was a tape recording, but here is some of the creepiest sounds that were recorded. Take a listen. The investigators said that the recording was paranormal.
It wasn't.
Was.
They said it wasn't.
It was paranormal.
It wasn't.
It was.
2.
Now this was recorded in an old hospital in Og.
Wasn't.
It was.
They said it wasn't.
This is quite distressing.
1.
When a sound is recorded that has no explanation, they are often man-made. Just imagine walking through the jungle at night and hearing this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
These sounds were recordings, often revealing their positions. So that's 5 very haunting.
They said it wasn't.
I'm gonna come up there right now and I'm gonna fucking stuff that thing up your fucking ass.